This is my new dwarf water lily, my tropical fish pond. I love my fish. They're the coolest fish ever. Come here, fishies. Not all fish like to be petted, but these don't seem to mind. These are all various types of mollies. Dalmatian mollies, silver mollies, creamcicle mollies. They all get along pretty well in here. I could watch them all day. The little orange and black one there, that's a platy. There's also some swordtails, neon swords, and some Endler's live bearers, and some zebra danios. But yeah, they're pretty cool. So, keep tropical fish. Enjoy the river life. I want you to see it, love it, live it. See you next time.